Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Great Beer Garage. My name is Matt, and today we're out here on our patio out the back of the house. We're going to do a little project. Won't take very long, I don't think, or I hope, and add a little mood lighting out here. So what we got here is this Luminar outdoor LED color changing lights. These are from Harbor Freight, and we got these with a 25% off coupon. So they ended up being $40, which is not bad considering they sell something very similar in the big box stores that are about 70 bucks each. So be fun to hang these up real quick. Shouldn't take too long. So we thought we'd take you guys along for the journey, see how we do that. So let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do is pull this out. And we're going to stretch it out along the back patio here so we can kind of figure out some placement with the lights and how they're going to hang. So I'm going to start down here and then I'll work my way back towards you. I think these are a total of 24 feet long, and out here it's like 27 feet from end to end, so we should be just about right to get right to the end here with no problem. Which, yeah, I think that's going to work out great. We're going to come right to the end here, and then I'm going to start at this end and I'm going to work my way back. So let's see. Let's take you guys off the tripod here. So as you can see now, I've got it laid out here. And actually I think I'm gonna start, we're gonna start down at that end. Then we'll work our way back here. And then that way, I think we can just plug it in, right? There's the plug. If that's where the light ends, I think we'll be good to just plug in right there. So I'm going to start at that end, work my way back this way. Alrighty, so now we are down at the end. I'm going to take this thing down so it's kind of out of the way. And then I'm going to grab my ladder, a couple of screws, and we'll start putting this thing up. So let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Very nice. Oops. Full shine shop. All right. Let's see if we got any kind of good angle here. Yeah, that's not bad. Let me show you what this looks like too. All right. So where each bulb is, so you see there's the bulb. There's this. And we're going to use these. See if you can see those. Let's move this down. We're going to use these little screws here to screw them in. So let's go back up. And the idea is we're going to screw them, I think we're going to go behind this piece of fascia board. And those of you who don't know, this is fascia board. This is soffit. So let's go ahead and get up here a little bit. And let's see. Okay, there's our first one in, and we'll just kind of move down the line. These little screws work nice. They bite good. I think they're actually supposed to be used for steel, I think. So what I want to do is try and get this pushed right up here to the edge. Like that. go. And we'll move on down the line. All right. Let's go out wide a little bit. Put these screws in the pocket. And then we'll pull this plastic off too. I guess while we're heading down the line. Those are just for shipping, I guess, so they don't scratch the bulbs up and shipping. They're supposed to be like shatter resistant, which they're basically plastic, so I don't think they're gonna break at all. Go behind this thing. Nice and secure. Move on to the next one. Of course, it's going to get tangled, right?
It's amazing how sweaty I get out here. I know it's probably gross, but it's only 90 degrees here, but it's still hot. I say only 90, but it's better than 98 or 99. Especially when your humidity's high. It feels a lot hotter. So, there's that. And a little screw that escapes. Tad warm.
They sound nice. Make it harder than heck to get around. Alright, let's try this again. And I'm doing this without my glasses, so I can't see what I'm doing. It's all guesswork at this point. Here we go. And I dropped a screw on the ground. I gotta find that because I'm gonna be out here barefoot stepping on that. And of course, everything blends in with this carpet. It would have been easier to do this from the front. And it would be easier if I wasn't left-handed. You can turn this ladder around too. Go the other direction with it. All right, let's see. Let's try this. this will be easier. Now I can see, which is a lot better. Makes a big difference. Oh, that's a lot easier. Well, you know, you gotta do things the hard way first, I guess. At least I do. Alright, cool. That's all of our lights up. All the lights are up now. They look pretty good. Not too many. Got it stretched out pretty nice. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. So started here, worked our way down towards where the outlet is, and let's go take a look at that. So there's our outlet. There's the last bulb. And then we've got all this cord. Jesus, about 4 feet of cord here. So what I'm going to do is get some wire ties. I'm going to wire tie most of that up. And we'll run the cord back along this way and then plug it in there. So let me go grab those and show you what we're going to do then. Yeah, I can't find my other ones. They're not in my tool bag, so I might have left them sitting on the floor up at the property. All right, guys, so you can see I've got the plug plugged in so that I know, you know, how far I can come backwards with this stuff. And I'm going to take this and kind of loop it back on itself. That way, it's not all hanging down looking dumb. So we're gonna just go ahead and put a few wire ties on here. See how this looks. Alright, that doesn't look terrible, I suppose. Try and push it on this side of it. And then let's go here. Okay, that doesn't look too terrible. And then, let's see, we'll take this, tie these 3 over each other here. Do another one here. Just kind of make it look tidy, neat, and clean. And then one more right there. I think that'll be perfect. Uno mas. That's about the extent of my Spanish. Gracias. All right, one more. Here we go.
You can put 4 strings together?
Yep. Yeah, I know. I'm thinking about getting these for up there. It'd be nice to have.
Yeah.
They don't get stolen. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna grab some wire clippers real quick and we'll clip these off so these aren't hanging, dangling, and that's it. It's about as clean as I can make it look. Yeah, it's not perfect, but let's go and get a little tight angle on this thing. Here we go. Let's see. So there's into the plug, and then there's where I loop my wires over each other. And obviously the ties are hanging down. But I'm gonna go get some wire cutters and we'll clip those off. Okay, here we go. We just snip these off, make it look nice and clean. There we go. Looks a lot better that way, nice and clean. I like stuff that I do to look clean as much as I can. All right, so let's take a look at what it looks like down the whole length again. All right, so here it is. It runs the whole length here. down to the very end. And at least that'll be nice because it'll light up all along the window, out back, and then over the back door that has all the windows too. So it should look nice at night. I'll have to come back out here at night and we'll get a picture or some video of what they look like at night, because they change color. They do red, green, blue, white, and then they also like rotate, you know, through the colors, like flashing or whatever, and then you can actually speed up or slow down the flash depending on how light sensitive you are, if you want to have a seizure or whatever. So all right, well, that's it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that little project today. It really didn't take long. I don't know, maybe 30 minutes. You know, it took me a lot longer because I'm recording, so I got to stop and do all that stuff. But hope you enjoyed that little project. We will get some footage of what this looks like with the lights on, and I'll post it here at the end. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so, as it does help the channel out greatly. For those of you that are subscribers, we want to thank you very much for that. We do appreciate it. We're almost at 600, guys, so that's pretty huge, because as I've said before, I never really expected anyone more than 4 people to ever look at this stuff. So thank you so much for becoming a subscriber and supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot to me and to my wife as well, as we bring you guys some of our cool projects that we do. So guys, we'll see you here next time on Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt, and remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. We'll see you next time. Until then, take care. Well guys, here's the finished product, so to speak, and I just wanted to show you what that looks like at night. Out here on the porch, looks real nice. A little less light there from the inside maybe. But yeah, that's it. Well guys, thanks for checking our video out. We do appreciate it. We'll see you next time.